Okay, so I'm doing another section here. I'm using my 4-inch scraper. It's like a razor scraper, almost like a razor blade holder, except it's a longer, it's 4 inches instead of a small little razor blade, plus it's stiffer, and it's easier to use. You could think, oh, I'll scrape this off with my little razor, my razor blade scraper. I've got 100 blades on that. Yeah, you could do that. It's going to take you a while. Way longer. You try one of these 4-inch and you're going to be like, man, I should have been doing that this whole time. There's always, whenever you get into doing a larger project, always think to yourself, what could I do to make this go faster? What have I not tried? And you'll come up with certain things. And it'll make you get in the habit of trying different things. When I first did this, I didn't use this scraper. I used just the wire brush and my razor blade holder, my little small razor blade holder one. Where is that? I think I have one handy here. See what I'm talking about? It's nice. It's rubber. You can retract this, push it in, you can push it back out, and these are just razor blades. And you use something like that, you can use that down there, but this thing flexes and it takes forever to use this. But if you do something like this, you get the blades that you get 100 in a pack. And it's way cheaper than buying 10 packs of 10. It's probably half as cheap. You buy 50 at 10 to a pack. You can buy 5 packs. That's 50 blades for the same amount as buying 100 blades in one go. Okay, so look for that at the store. This could work. It's just going to take you a while longer, isn't it? And maybe when you get up next to the wall, you can use this if you're having a hard time using your other blade. Okay, so I always kind of have that at the ready too. I'll just try to work in a sequence straight in front of me. Usually that's about 2 feet wide, about 2 tiles worth. I was just looking at the big parts where the other razor missed. Okay, now I can move forward and do some more. Stubborn bit that I think could come off. I could use this one backwards this way. Or I can go forward. That will take off a little bit more. Obviously, if I wanted to sit here longer, I could do the 4-inch and whatever I miss with the 4-inch. I can use my little razor here, my razor blade, and work on it a little more. Because whatever I can get off with this is a little less than what I have to get off with my steel brush, my wire brush. That's what's coming up next. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to keep working on this. Make sure you can see what I'm doing way up there. I think you can see that. Got gloves on. I've got a lumbar back support brace on here. And this has suspenders on it. I even got those on to take a little bit of the weight off my waist. And I've got it on underneath my shirt. You put it over the top of your shirt. Here's a tip for you. When you're working with black tar and different things like that, you got a shirt on, I would highly recommend not putting your lumbar support over the top of your shirt, because then you're going to get the black on your shirt and it's going to be difficult to wash it off. You may have just ruined your shirt. Okay, so I've got it underneath here, and these pants are probably going to be throwaway pants when I get done. So I don't care if this gets any marks on my pants. I'm just going to keep going. Okay, so I got a little bit more, and I'm about ready to change that blade again. Don't be afraid to keep changing your blade, okay? A sharp blade is a happy blade. It's going to take less pressure off of you. Make sure you have plenty of blades. The thing with that is you can get extras. Whatever pack of blades you do not open, you can always take back to the store. So get more than you think. You know, this area you think, oh, 5 blades are enough, get 10. If you think 10, get 15 if they come in 5 packs. Get 20 if you have to. Stop using all your extra time to run back and forth to the store. Oh, I guess I need 5 more. Oh, I guess I need 5 more after that. Just get yourself to 20, be done with it, go back to the store one time, take your others back. There's a tip for you. Okay, I got it all with my 4-inch scraper. I'm just going to hit the top of this base and along the edge, not a whole lot, but just enough to get some of this loose stuff off of here. Try not to throw any more dust than I can. Okay, now I'm going to do my trick again. My broom out, put that on there. I'm just going to do this. I don't want to sweep up and make too much dust. I do have a fan on in this room right now. I probably should turn it off, but I'm going to leave it on. I don't think I'm disturbing the dust too much by doing this. I'm just using the back side of the dustpan. Okay, how it slips on there. Not all brooms can do this. I just kind of figured that out the other day. Because this has a little rubber sweep on it too. I'm like sweeping up the floor without making hardly any dust at all. Look at all that stuff I scraped up off that floor so far. You remember how black the floor used to look? It's getting better, isn't it? Okay? That's my next step. If you've been following along, now I can get ready for the next thing. I'm taking all of this stuff off the floor because I want to have the floor nicely stained and sealed. You see how this section of the floor is? That's already been cleaned. And now I have to do the same thing to this floor. Yeah, you want your floors nicely stained and sealed. In fact, if you got the black glue on there, you may not have to throw any stain on there at all. See how nice this other section of floor is? Now granted, I'm going to have to clean it a little bit more as I blend it in, and have to go over this whole area. I have to get all this stuff out of here now. This is my last room that I have to clean, so now I have to move this stuff into a different area. I'm getting ready to seal all the floors. Now I'm going to use this. Once I clean this, I'm just going to use this as the stain. That looks very nice. It gives the floor all kinds of different colors to it. I also have the hall done the same way, and this front room. Okay, I've already gone over that with the stain just the sealer, not the sealer. I'm getting in front of myself now. I've just cleaned everything and blended in all of the black tar that looked like that. That was all out here on this floor here too. When I clean it, it's going to look like this over here. Then we'll look at that, and I think we'll be able to seal that. I don't think we're going to have to put any stain on this floor at all. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more video.